Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys talkback stop setting, how to stop talkback on lava mobiles on Android mobiles. Friends, you can see I am not unlocking my phone. Same friends, you have this setting, and friends you want to unlock your phone. So how to unlock phone when talkback is on. So friends, first of all use your two finger, and friends you can unlock your phone. Okay friends, with one finger friends you can see we cannot unlock our lava mobile. Use your two finger and you can unlock. After unlock friends, open your phone setting with double tap, because guys if you one tap you cannot on your lava phone setting. Friends, continue to tap here. Friends, click on Wi-Fi setting. Friends, use your again two finger, because friends one finger if you use you cannot stop talkback on your lava mobile. Okay friends, so friends use your two finger. Friends, you can see intelligent assistant setting. Friends, one tap here. Friends, use your one finger and double tap, continue here. Friends, click here smart answer setting and use your two finger. Scroll last option friends, accessibility. One tap here. Friends, continue to tap. Select to speak setting, talkback setting. Friends, click here talkback, double tap, use talkback setting. Friends, one tap, double tap here. Friends, you can see stop button. Double tap here, talkback will stop on your device. So friends, you want to stop talkback on lava mobile, so can double tap here and get talkback will stop on lava mobile. And friends, you can use your lava phone without talkback. So like that friends, we can stop talkback on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt? So friends, you can ask me on comment section. Bye friends, thanks for watching.